How to reset Siri on iPhone. First, open the Settings app and scroll down to Siri and Search, or Apple Intelligence and Siri, depending on your iOS version. Next, turn off Talk to Siri and press Side button for Siri. If you're using an iPhone 6s, the option may appear as Press Home for Siri. When prompted, tap Turn off Siri to confirm. Now, wait a few seconds. Then turn Talk to Siri back on. Follow the on-screen instructions to train Siri by saying a few sample phrases. This helps Siri recognize your voice again. If you also want to enable the Home button shortcut, turn Press Home for Siri back on. Once the setup is complete, try asking Siri a simple question, like, "What's the weather today?" to make sure everything is working correctly. That's it. You've successfully reset Siri on your iPhone.